I know in fifth
Sir, in
week,
fifth we have not
class
started
5B, we have
chapters.
not started the exercise yet. So we will quickly start with the exercise in 5B, and just one or two questions we have to do in 5B. I have already made you write down the formula. Have you all written the formula in 5B?
Yeah. No.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Have you written the formula? Class 5B students, have you written the formula of profit and loss? Formula.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
sir.
Can you show me your notebook? Wait, are you showing it, Aspa?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I'm not able to find your video. Where is your video? Just wait.
sir, but Swa has written the same as we have written in fifth C.
Bhakti, can you show me your notebook? I'm not able to find Aspa's video. थोड़ा पास लेके आओ बेटा. Okay. Okay, we have not written any formula in 5B. Okay, all of you, so you all need to write down a formula. 5B students have not written the formula yet. Let's first make them write down the formula, then we will start with the exercise. Okay. So write down the heading in your copies. Class 5B students. Profit.
Sir, have we started doing something?
We have just started this.
Okay, sir.
We are making
For fifth P.
this formula of profit. 5B students have not written, so they are writing this formula. Profit is when SP is greater than CP. When selling price is greater, then you have a profit. 5B स्टूडेंट्स को पता चल गया ना, SP जब आपका सेलिंग प्राइस बड़ा होता है तब प्रॉफिट होता है, आपको मालूम है, और जब सेलिंग प्राइस कम होगा, स्मॉलर होगा, तो यू हैव अ लॉस. हाँ, सेलिंग प्राइस बड़ा होने का मतलब क्या है? यू सोल्ड द प्रोडक्ट एट हायर प्राइस. जितने का खरीदा उससे ज्यादा का बेच दिया. That means profit. So whenever selling price is greater, you have a profit. So what is the formula of profit? How do you calculate the profit? Profit is equal to
SP minus CP.
SP minus CP. Yes. This is the formula, and similarly for loss.
CP minus
Loss is
SP.
loss is when CP is greater than SP. Formula of loss is CP minus SP.
And the formula of loss?
CP minus SP.
CP minus SP. I'm not making you write down any other formula. We can find out the answers with these two formulae only. We can find out all the answers using only two formulae.
Sir, fifth we will also do the A part.
Yes, A part is to be done in the book. Can you tell me the page number?
160.
Page number 118.
Okay.
Sir, it is 118. Exercise 14.1 A part.
Okay.
Sir, it's 116.
18. Question A, page number 118. So have you all written this form, these formulae, everyone? Class 5B especially because
Yes,
5
sir.
students already.
Yes, sir.
Sir, written.
A minute.
Sir, I have written.
परमजीत बेटा कोलकाता नाइट राइडर कोलकाता चले गए हो क्या? नाइट राइडर्स के ग्राउंड में बैठने चले गए करमजीत? Been sitting there? ना सोफा तुमने वहां डाल लिया?
Sir, we can write on that page only.
वाह यार, कमाल कर दिया करमजीत ने. माइक ऑफ. भरत, तुम्हारा माइक हर समय ऑन रहता है, माइक ऑफ रखा करो. Yes, I know. Okay. So question 8 is very simple one. Cost price and selling price is given. You just have to first of all check whether you will have a profit or a loss. Mr. Puri, sorry, Puri. Mr. Puri is there. So he bought some items and sold them. So in each of the cases, you have to find whether it is a profit or a loss and then find the respective thing. Okay. So first case, bought a bread. 5B students especially, please pay attention. 5C have already done this. Okay, so in the first case, bread, selling price is 10 rupees, cost price is 8 rupees. So selling
Profit.
price क्या होगा, profit or loss?
Sir, profit. Sir, profit.
Profit rupees two.
Sir, profit.
Profit
Sir,
of rupees
profit.
two.
It's the case.
Sir, it's profit.
Profit of rupees two.
Yes. How much profit? Rupees 2. SP minus
Sir, we
C.
have to do in book. Sir, 2.
Find the answer. Just write the answer in the book only. तो प्रॉफिट वाले कॉलम में आप 2 रुपीज लिख लीजिए, लॉस वाला कॉलम को ब्लैंक छोड़ दीजिए. ओके, write rupees 2 in the profit column and in the loss column you have to leave it blank. Okay, second item is juice. Again there is a profit because selling price is greater. कितने रुपीस का प्रॉफिट है?
Yes,
Profit
sir.
of 3 rupees.
Sir, 3 rupees.
It's a profit of rupees 3.
Profit of 3 rupees.
लॉस वाला कॉलम यहाँ पे फिर से ब्लैंक चला जाएगा. Pen. Now when he bought a pen, he bought the pen for 7 rupees and sold it for 6 rupees. यानी कि the selling
Sir,
price
it is a
Loss of
loss.
1
Sir,
Loss
loss
of
of
1
1 rupees.
Loss of 1 rupees.
smaller.
Loss of 1 rupees.
Greater.
Loss of 1 rupees.
It is a loss. How much loss? Rupees 1. Rupee 1 loss.
Rupees 1
Column
lost.
blank and in place of column, loss column, you will write rupee 1. So do all the parts of this. Come on, everyone.
Sir, I am done.
Sir, done.
Sir, I have done. Sir, can I do B2? No, the B1 we have to do in the notebooks. We have first one. We will do that with sir only.
Okay, next question.
Sir, done.
Question number B. Find the cost price in each of the following cases. कहीं पर profit हो रहा है, कहीं पे loss हो रहा है. Selling price is given in all the cases. Cost price is missing in question number B. Okay. So accordingly, if it is a profit, you have to calculate cost price. If it is a loss, again you have to calculate the cost price. So formula will change a little bit because of profit or loss. The formula will be varied a little bit. So we are not going to use any new formula for calculating cost price. We will use the same formula. I will show you how to use the same formula for this. And question B is to be done in your copies. Don't make a table. आपको टेबल नहीं बनाना है, लेकिन कॉपीज में करना है. ये क्वेश्चन कैसे करना है, आई एम गोइंग टू टेल यू. ठीक. क्वेश्चन बी. First part. So there is selling price of rupees 1,870. SP is rupees 1870. Profit
Profit is equals to rupees 154. 154.
154 is the profit. Okay. Now you have to find the cost price. Cost price missing है, so we will profit हो रहा है. देखिए यहाँ पर profit is given. So use the formula of profit. Profit का formula क्या था, अभी हमने पढ़ा. What is the formula?
Profit is equals to SP minus CP.
SP minus CP.
SP minus CP.
Minus CP.
SP minus CP.
Be very attentive, okay, all of you. I think this thing you are going to do for the first time. पहली बार आप ऐसा करेंगे. How to solve an equation. This I will use this as an equation. This formula I am going to use this as a linear equation. So first time you are going to solve this, I think, because you are in class 5 only. But it is a very, very important thing for your higher classes also. So please learn this, how to do it. Profit. Now the value of profit is given. What is the value of profit?
154. 154. 154.
The value of profit here. Profit की जगह मैंने value लगा दी. Selling price again given. How much? 1,870. 1870. Selling price and minus
X.
the cost price given. No, the cost price is. So in place of cost price, you will write it same CP. Okay. Now this is a linear equation. You have to solve this equation. It is very simple to solve the equation. First of all, in an equation there are two sides. This is equal to. This is your equal to sign. Equal to symbol है ये. Equal to सब जानते हैं ना. Equal to क्या होता है? Do you all know?
Yes, sir.
There is a
Yes, sir.
there is an equation, you will always find an equal to symbol there in an equation. इसमें equal to जरूर होता है equation, ठीक है? तो equal to के दो sides होते हैं. One is the left side and the other is the right side. Known as the left side. Equal to के left side में जो भी आ रहा है that is known as LHS. Short form में LHS बुलाते हैं. Left hand side. Left hand side. This is your left hand. Am I right or not? ये क्या है आपका left hand है?
Yes, sir.
And that is your right hand.
Yes, sir.
This is the right hand side and this is left hand side. Equal to के right में जो भी आ रहा है that is known as RHS. This is whole this thing is known as RHS and this thing is known as LHS. Okay. Now CP, to solve the equation, the missing part. This part is missing. What is missing? What you have to find out in this case? CP.
Sir, CP.
जो भी चीज मिसिंग है आप उसको लेके आएंगे RHS में आएंगे. Got it? So when you bring something from RHS to LHS and if it is negative, it is negative. Negative क्या होता है? Negative and positive दो चीज होती है. Negative मतलब जब पे माइनस साइन लगा होता है. बताइए किसी को. For example, number -5 is negative and +5 is positive. This is a negative number. Minus लगा हुआ है, so it is a negative number. And +5 is a positive number. अगर मैं simply ऐसे भी लिख देता हूँ 5, तो ये दोनों का मीनिंग पॉजिटिव है. अगर कोई साइन नहीं लगा है, तो दोनों का मीनिंग क्या है? पॉजिटिव. एंड अगर माइनस साइन लगा हुआ है, then it is negative. Clear or not? नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव का मीनिंग समझ में आ गया?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
तो CP is negative or positive? CP से पहले you have to see the sign which is before the number. CP से पहले क्या साइन है? माइनस. ओके, पहले वाले साइन देखना है जस्ट इसके बाद. तो CP से पहले क्या लगा है? माइनस. तो दिस इज नेगेटिव और पॉजिटिव?
Sir, negative, I think.
Negative.
Negative.
What about 1870? Is this negative or positive? 1870 negative or positive?
Sir, it is positive. Sir, positive.
पॉजिटिव. क्योंकि 1870 से पहले कुछ लगा है, यहाँ पर कुछ भी नहीं लगा.
No, sir.
No, sir.
लगा है, हम ना माइनस लगे. तो जब कुछ भी नहीं लगा होता है then it is positive.
Positive.
154 positive or negative?
Positive.
Sir, positive.
Positive.
Now you have learned what is negative and positive. So when you have to find the value of something and if it is in RHS, अगर वो RHS में लिखा हुआ है जिसकी वैल्यू आपको फाइंड करनी है, तो उसको आप फटाफट क्या करेंगे? सबसे पहले तो उसको ले आएंगे LHS में. और जैसे ही अगर LHS में क्या होता है, आप साइड चेंज करते हो किसी भी चीज की. साइड चेंज करते हैं. साइड चेंज कर रहा हूँ कैसे
तो
करूँ?
सर साइन चेंज हो जाते हैं.
It is written in RHS. RHS से उसको LHS में लिखा रहे हैं, तो क्या होगा? साइन चेंज हो जाएगा. अगर नेगेटिव है तो पॉजिटिव बन जाएगा और पॉजिटिव है तो नेगेटिव बन जाएगा. बात क्लियर होगी? जैसे साइड चेंज होगी वैसे क्या होगा? पॉजिटिव से नेगेटिव बनेगा और नेगेटिव से, अगर नेगेटिव है, if it is negative it becomes positive. Clear? As soon as you change the side. So CP की मैं
Yes, sir,
साइड
clear.
चेंज कर रहा हूँ. देखिए CP को RHS से LHS में गया है. So it becomes positive. That means I will not write any CP. Okay. Equals to, now this 154 I am going to take it to RHS. 154 कहाँ लिखा है? LHS में लिखा है. 154 I am going to take to RHS. तो 18704 तो वहीं पर ऑलरेडी यहाँ पे था, इसको कुछ नहीं करा. 154 को RHS में लिखा -154. Now why minus? Because 154 is positive when it is in
Because sir that was positive and when we take there, so sir it will convert into minus sign.
Yes, sir.
Sir, the sign changed to negative.
Yes, sir.
So CP equals
Yes,
to,
sir.
subtract, your answer will be 1716 rupees. 1716. Is it easy to solve an equation? And this is very important to learn to all you all. Okay. Why? It is again and again used almost in every question in your higher classes. Almost in every question you have to solve equations. Okay. It is a very important thing. Is it clear to all of you now?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I will
Yes,
give
sir.
you some more examples, and you will start finding it very
Yes, sir.
easy. So don't worry.
Sir, now the B part.
Yeah, B part.
Sir, I've done all yesterday.
So same rules यहाँ पर apply होंगे क्या? What important things I told here? Just a quick revision. क्या क्या मैंने यहाँ पर important part बताया? This is important for both the sections. C और B दोनों के लिए important है. C वाले बच्चों ने भी ये वाली चीज सही से नहीं करी है अभी तक, I know that. Okay. So what are the important points you have noticed in this question? First, LHS or RHS
Sir,
क्या?
that in profit,
Left hand side
HR
and
is
right hand
RHS.
side.
Listen,
left
listen.
hand side and right hand side.
First of all, in an equation there are two sides. The equal to sign के इधर वाली side में जो आएगा that is LHS, and equal to के उधर side में जो आएगा that is known as RHS, right hand side and left hand side. First point, ये हो गया आपका first point. Second point, negative number और positive numbers क्या होते हैं? So what are negative numbers? ऐसे numbers जिनके पहले क्या लगा होता है? Minus. These are known as
Minus sign.
negative.
Negative numbers and
Negative numbers.
What are
and
positive?
before the
Positive numbers क्या होते हैं? ध्यान से सुनिए. Positive numbers are those जिनके पहले या तो प्लस लगा होगा या फिर कुछ नहीं लगा होगा. So that means the number is what?
Positive.
Positive. ठीक है?
Positive, sir.
This was your second point. And third and last point, अगर ये तीन points आपको याद रहेंगे, then no one is going to stop you from solving the equation very easily. Third and final point क्या है? अगर कोई चीज आप side change कर रहे हैं, suppose if you are taking something from LHS to RHS,
to RHS.
तो क्या करेंगे?
LHS.
We will change the sign of that number.
Sign change.
Sign को change कर देंगे, उल्टा कर देंगे.
The
If it is
sign.
it becomes positive, and if it is positive, it becomes, as soon as you change the sign of any number, the sign changes. Clear? Is it clear? All the 3 points?
I do not understand positive
Yes, sir.
and negative.
Okay, I will give you example. Don't worry. In the second example, you will understand. So the SP is given. What is the selling price? It is given rupees 147. And what is the loss given? Loss is rupees 35. Okay, this is your loss. मतलब your loss नहीं. This is the loss given in the question. आपका कोई loss नहीं है. आपका सब फायदा ही फायदा है. सब profit ही profit है. इतना कुछ सीखने को मिल रहा है. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Loss is rupees 35. Now, loss is given. So मुझे कौन सा formula use करना चाहिए? The formula of profit or the formula of loss?
Loss.
Loss का
Loss.
What
Sir,
is it?
loss.
that is
CP minus
CP
SP.
minus SP.
Loss.
CP minus SP.
This is the formula of loss. Now put the values. The value of loss is 35. The value of CP is not given. CP ऐसे लिख दिया. The value of SP. What is the value of SP? 147.
147.
हमारी values लिख दी. Now tell me, 35 is positive or negative?
Positive.
Positive.
CP is
Positive.
or negative? CP
Positive.
Sir, positive.
Positive.
CP से पहले कुछ भी नहीं पता है. That means positive. Very good. 147 negative or positive?
Negative.
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 It is
Negative.
147 is
Negative as there is minus sign.
Positive.
Okay. So
Sir, as there is no sign, so it is plus.
अगर simply 147 को मैं RHS से LHS में ले आऊंगा, take both the number, दोनों नंबर एक साइड में आ जाए बस, my task will be over. तो 147 को मैं RHS से LHS में ले आता हूँ, दिस बिकम्स पॉजिटिव, तो 35 प्लस 147 इज इक्वल टू CP। CP यहाँ पर बचा है, I have taken 147 to LHS, तो 35 प्लस पॉजिटिव बन गया, देखिए it becomes positive. Now is it positive? 147 पॉजिटिव है, so now that
Yes,
will
sir.
sir.
add
Yes,
the
sir. They both
Yes,
are
sir.
positive.
what is the
Yes,
sum?
sir. Now it is positive.
The sum is rupees 182. Am I right? Equals to
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
CP की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई? रुपीज 182. This is your answer. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
It is clear and it is also simple.
Sir, I have learned it already. I revised it.
Sir, next can we do ourselves?
Yes. Do the third, fourth, fifth, and sixth, all the parts. तो अगर प्रॉफिट दिया हुआ है, you will use the formula of profit, और अगर लॉस दिया हुआ है, you will use the formula of loss. Okay.
Loss.
Okay, sir.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I have sent my work. Please check.
Because you have sent it on WhatsApp.
Yes, sir.
Yes, done all the parts, all of you?
Yes, sir, done.
Sir, done.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Sir, please check my work.
Sir, only one left.
Yeah, Ishika,
For mine too.
who's asking to check the work?
Sir, me Ishika.
Okay. Correct.
Okay, sir.
Very good.
Sir, I have also sent the third one answer in the chat box.
Chat box. Okay, correct answer, beta.
Sir, is the answer of fourth one is rupees 1400?
Sir, it is rupees 1,350.
Which one?
Sir, fourth one.
Fourth one, the answer is
Which one?
Sir, 8,380.
Fourth answer 1400.
$1,390. The answer of fourth one is 1,390.
So my answer is correct.
No, sorry, 1,400. The answer of the fourth one is 1,400. I'm sorry. Okay. Okay, question C, first part, all of you. Do the first part. It is a very simple question. Write the statements also on your own. Meera bought a painting for bought का मतलब क्या है? She bought a painting. Bought मतलब cost price. कितने का खरीदा?
CP.
Yeah.
CP.
And then she sold it for rupees. Sold मतलब selling price.
SP.
SP is 1,700. तो आपको बताना है प्रॉफिट हुआ या लॉस हुआ और कितने का हुआ. Okay, do it in your copies, everyone.
Sir, it is in
Sir, it is
profit.
a profit.
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, last one means sixth one answer is 910.
Yes. नहीं, not 910.
Sir, the fourth answer is
Sir, it is a
1,400.
profit of 450 in first one.
The sixth one answer is 1,210.